All states now have laws that require manufacturers to pay retail prices on warranty repairs. That can add hundreds of thousands in additional gross profit for both parts and service when done properly. For example, we have seen parts markup rates increase from the standard cost plus 40% to as much as cost plus 100%. Imagine what such a change can do to fixed absorption and dealer profitability. Because OEMs generally play by the rules, the key to success lies in how well dealers prove their cases. Preparations for a warranty labor rate or a parts markup increase can be daunting and full of confusion, leaving up to 80% of dealers underpaid. Yikes! So what can dealers do to get their fair share of the warranty pie? Recently, Bob Gehring, President, and Doug Thompson, Vice President of Fixed Performance, joined us for an online workshop to share their thoughts of how to boost the parts and labor yields of not only warranty, but also customer-paid work. The full 45-minute recording of this discussion is available to Dealer's Edge members only. Dealer's Edge members enjoy access to hundreds of dealership-specific online workshops. Members can access our full archive of webinar recordings in streaming video and podcast download format anytime. Not to mention executive summaries, books, manuals, special reports, and more. Visit dealersedge.com/free trial to get started today. The first step is to know the rules for your state. The back and forth of state laws and OEM definitions can get pretty tricky. State law say qualified by warranty-like repairs. OEM's definitions vary. Is it maintenance or qualified repair? State law say qualified by prevailing retail rate. OEMs will comply with state laws, but will not do it blindly, and will use the laws to their benefit wherever and whenever possible. Clearly defined exclusions stated in the state law. Some states have very clearly defined exclusions, and even then, OEM auditors may not agree with the generally accepted definitions and attempt to blur the lines. Fixed Performance offers at no charge an interactive map where dealers can find the cliff notes for their state's warranty reimbursement law at fixedperformance.com. OEM variable definitions. Is it maintenance or repair? Sadly, not all state laws are written well enough to provide a lot of clarity, leaving discretion about how to classify certain types of repairs up to the OEMs. Depending on how they are classified, determines whether or not they are included in the warranty rate calculation, and the answer is generally found in their warranty and policy manuals. Doug cautioned that printed copies of the W&P manuals tend to lag behind their online cousins, and may not include changes that occurred after publication. However, some classifications are only found through trial and error. Doug gave the example of key fobs. 3 years ago, most OEMs classified them as repair since they are warranty-like. However, they are now considered repair only when the RO states that they were replaced due to a malfunction, as opposed to maintenance when only a battery is replaced or where the fob was lost by the customer. In general, if the complaint line only says something vague like, customer states replace remote, the auditors will likely exclude it. Doug offered GM, Ford, and FCA to demonstrate the variability of coding for 15 common parts and labor types between OEMs. Also covered, how to maximize warranty at retail submissions, how to use your DMS technology, improve advanced customer pay margin, and review poor performing labor operations. The importance of labor operation structure and use. Become a Dealer's Edge member to access the full 45-minute workshop in streaming video and podcast formats, its corresponding handouts and executive summary, and hundreds of other dealership-specific workshops available in the Dealer's Edge archive anytime. Access it for free at dealersedge.com/free trial.